Hi everyone! In this prototyping tutorial, we'll create a mobile notification pop-up in under 2 minutes using MockFlow's prototyping feature. First, we've created a mobile screen and a notification pop-up. Now let's use MockFlow's Layers feature to rename the component to Popup for easier identification. Next, we'll add the first interaction. Select the component, click Manage Interactions, choose mouse click as the trigger, and show component as the action. Select the pop-up component. Apply the roll and down effect, customize the time delay, and click Save. That completes our first interaction. Now let's add the second interaction for the close icon. Repeat the steps from the previous interaction, but this time choose Hide Component as the action, select the pop-up component. Apply the rollout up effect, adjust the delay, and click Save. Using the Layers feature, hide the pop-up component so it appears only when triggered. Click View to preview the prototype. Clicking the trigger shows the pop-up, and clicking the close icon hides it. That's how you can build a mobile notification pop-up in under 2 minutes using MockFlow. Create mobile app wireframe prototypes effortlessly using MockFlow's prototyping feature. Do like, share, and subscribe for more prototyping tutorials.